I just thought we were just going to be without power. I just didn't know what we were going to do.
There's not a plan B. There's not a place for me and my children to go. That's our home.
It was cold. It was snowing. We needed the heat. We've never had to have help before.
This winter, some of our neighbors in the Carolinas will struggle to pay their heating bills. But you have the power to help by contributing to Share the Warmth, a program funded by Carolinas customers and Duke Energy to help qualifying families in need.
It was like a big weight was lifted off of my shoulders because I knew that we would still be okay.
It was so needed, it was so appreciated, and we were just very, very grateful.
It really helps to know that sometimes if something's going wrong in your life, there will be someone to help you.
It's a simple act to help those in need, and your tax-deductible contribution to Share the Warmth can have a profound impact this winter. Duke Energy will match up to $500,000 in total customer contributions. So please visit duke-energy.com/sharethewarmth to find out how you can start helping today.